10 craziest Rockstar stories that sound made up but aren't. So, I have a feeling this video is going to be pretty short. So, I'm going to try and keep it over 2 minutes. So, the first story on our list is that Billy Idol once had to be carried out of a hotel in Thailand by the military after getting shot by a tranquilizer. That sounds pretty crazy. And the Beach Boys had a song called Never Learn Not to Love, which was written by the infamous serial killer Charles Manson. And a lot of people don't know this, but Charles Manson was actually a singer-songwriter. And Guns N' Roses also covered one of his songs on their All Covers album, The Spaghetti Incident, called Look at Your Game Girl, was the name of that song. And number 8 is that Keith Moon from The Who, their old drummer, would repeatedly throw cherry bombs in toilet and hotel toilets. And I think one time he actually put a little bomb or something in his drum set while they were on live TV, and it caused Pete Townsend permanent hearing loss. He didn't go deaf, thankfully. Number 7 is that Ace Frehley from Kiss actually chugged a bottle of perfume once because he heard there was alcohol in it. And number 6, Izzy Stradlin, one of the original members of Guns N' Roses, was once arrested for, get this, peeing in the aisle of an airplane. And he was on a flight from Indianapolis to Los Angeles. So, and number 5 is that Nikki Sixx from Motley Crue was declared legally dead for 2 minutes, and he came back to life and then woke up hours later. In case you were wondering how he died, not surprising at all, drug overdose. Number 4 is that Duff McKagan did drugs so much and drank so much alcohol that his pancreas ruptured. For those who don't know, Duff McKagan is a member of Guns N' Roses. Number 3 is Ozzy Osbourne. Well, this is one of the most famous rock stories of all time. Ozzy Osbourne snorted ants out of his nose so they were in Lakeland, Florida. He was in Lakeland, Florida, ran into Motley Crue, and he asked if they had anything he could snort out of his nose. Don't know why, but he did. And they said no, and so he just settled with ants. And then Nikki Sixx peed on the floor by the pool, and Ozzy licked the pee. Moral of that story, don't do drugs. Number 2 is Tony Iommi once doused Bill Ward, Black Sabbath's original drummer, in alcohol. Then he caught on fire. And then number 1, the craziest story of them all. Eddie Van Halen once drove a military assault vehicle to get a guitar back. So, well, for Beverly Hills, obviously, because I don't think a single rock star lives outside of California. While they're famous, of course. Well, that's all I've got for today. Well, and in case you didn't hear the news, Kiss is getting back together. kiss shirt, and I mentioned a story about when I kissed members. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.